AI stocks are dominating headlines, with some experts calling them the future of investing, while others warn of the potential risks. But what's the real story? Are AI stocks the next big thing poised to revolutionize your investment portfolio? Or are they a high-risk gamble that could lead to significant losses? In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of AI stocks to uncover the surprising truth. In this video, we'll explore the world of AI stocks, examining their potential and risks to help you make informed investment decisions. We'll look at the growth drivers behind AI stocks, highlight key companies, and discuss the challenges and volatility they face. By the end, you'll have a clearer understanding of whether AI stocks are a smart addition to your portfolio or a risky bet. According to a report by Grand View Research, the AI market was valued at $62.35 billion in 2020 and is expected to grow at an astonishing compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 40.2% from 2021 to 2028. This explosive growth is reflected in the stock performance of AI giants like NVIDIA, which saw its stock price surge over 120% in the past year. Additionally, companies like Alphabet and Tesla are heavily investing in AI technologies, driving innovation and attracting significant investor interest. AI stocks are shares of companies that develop or leverage artificial intelligence technologies to enhance their products, services, and operations. These companies range from tech giants like NVIDIA and Alphabet, which create advanced AI hardware and software, to firms like Tesla that integrate AI into their products, such as autonomous vehicles. Investing in AI stocks means buying into the future potential of these innovative technologies. Prominent AI companies include NVIDIA, known for its powerful AI chips used in data centers and gaming; Alphabet, the parent company of Google, which is a leader in AI research and applications; and Tesla, which uses AI for its self-driving technology and smart energy solutions. These companies are at the forefront of AI innovation, making significant strides in various industries. Several factors are driving the growth of AI stocks. The increasing availability of big data and advancements in machine learning algorithms are enabling AI technologies to become more powerful and effective. Cloud computing has also made AI more accessible, allowing companies to deploy AI solutions at scale. Additionally, the demand for automation in various industries, from healthcare to finance, is pushing the adoption of AI technologies. These elements combined create a robust environment for the growth of AI stocks. AI technologies offer vast market opportunities across multiple sectors. In healthcare, AI can enhance diagnostics, personalize treatment plans, and streamline administrative tasks. In finance, AI-driven analytics improve risk assessment and automate trading strategies. The transportation industry benefits from AI through advancements in autonomous driving and traffic management systems. Retailers use AI for personalized shopping experiences and efficient inventory management. These diverse applications highlight the transformative potential of AI, driving significant investment and growth opportunities in the market. NVIDIA serves as a compelling case study in the AI sector, showcasing remarkable growth driven by its innovative AI technologies. Known for its powerful GPUs originally designed for gaming, NVIDIA has expanded into AI hardware, which is crucial for data centers and machine learning applications. In recent years, NVIDIA's stock has surged due to increasing demand for its AI chips, used extensively in sectors like gaming, data centers, and autonomous vehicles. This growth underscores NVIDIA's pivotal role in advancing AI capabilities and its substantial impact on both technological advancements and investor confidence in AI stocks. Volatility is a significant characteristic of AI stocks, influenced by rapid technological advancements and market expectations. AI companies often experience price fluctuations based on developments in AI research, regulatory changes, and competitive pressures. This volatility makes AI stocks appealing for potential high returns, but also poses risks due to unpredictable market conditions and the evolving nature of AI technologies. Regulatory risks for AI stocks involve potential challenges from governments setting rules on AI development and usage. These rules might focus on data privacy, transparency of algorithms, and ethical concerns. Tougher regulations could increase costs for AI companies and limit their ability to innovate freely. Investors need to stay updated on these regulations, as they could affect stock prices and the overall AI market. The AI market is fiercely competitive, with many companies, from tech giants like Alphabet and Microsoft to startups, racing to lead in different fields. This competition drives innovation, but also means AI companies must work hard to stand out and keep their market position. Investors should watch this dynamic closely, as it can affect how AI stocks perform. Diversifying your investments is key, especially with AI stocks. It means spreading your money across different types of investments to lower risk. In the unpredictable AI market, this strategy helps protect your savings if AI stocks don't perform well. It's a smart way to balance potential gains and losses, ensuring a more stable financial plan over time. Before you invest in AI stocks or any other investment, do your research thoroughly. Understand the companies you're investing in, their financial health, and their position in the AI market. Look into their technology, market potential, and competition. By doing your homework, you'll make smarter decisions that can help you maximize returns and minimize risks. For investing in AI stocks, consider a long-term approach. AI technology keeps advancing, and its impact on industries is growing. By thinking long-term, you can navigate market ups and downs and benefit from AI's transformative growth. Companies need time to scale their AI innovations, so patience can pay off as these technologies mature. In this video, we explored AI stocks, discussing companies like NVIDIA, Alphabet, and Tesla, driving innovations in gaming and autonomous vehicles. AI offers vast opportunities in healthcare, finance, and retail due to advances in machine learning and cloud computing. Yet, investing in AI stocks involves volatility and regulatory risks as governments regulate AI development. Diversifying and researching thoroughly before investing is crucial. Taking a long-term view can help manage risks and benefit from AI's growth potential, whether you're seeking growth or navigating risks. Understanding these dynamics is key to smart investment decisions. If you enjoyed learning about AI stocks, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support keeps us bringing you more valuable insights into investing and market trends. Comment below to share your thoughts on AI stocks. Are you thinking of investing? Or do you have concerns about the risks? We're here to answer your questions and keep the conversation going. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.